Hey guys, welcome back to another Yu-Gi-Oh! Pack opening. So today I'll be opening the Legendary Dex 2. I heard that it's supposed to be really good, so let's get right to it. So let's see how many packs there are in here.
Opening. Ooh.
So it looks like that there are no packs in here, just straight up cards.
Oh.
Ooh.
Look at that. top
Card is a select for the Sky Dragon with the Black Stone of Legend and all of these amazing ass cards.
Okay.
So our top card is select for the Sky Dragon. He's pretty powerful. Then we have obviously the Tormentor, one of the 3 Egyptian god cards, same with the select for the Sky Dragon. The Winged Dragon of Ra, the most powerful of them all. Then we have the legendary Exodia Incarnation, followed by the Ties of the Beerthin. Sorry for my pronunciation. Then we have Obliterate. Then Exodia the Forbidden One. The head.
Oh, we got the right arm.
Yeah, the red arm of the Forbidden One. The left arm of the Forbidden One.
No.
The right leg of the Forbidden One.
No.
And the left leg of the Forbidden One. So we got all 5 pieces of the Forbidden One.
Wait, we'll show you in a second.
So it looks like we got all 5 pieces of the Exodia. But in the actual series, if you know anything about it, you have to lay the pieces like this, or else you would not like form correctly. And if you have all 5 pieces in your hand, lay them out instantly, so you would actually like win the match that hand. So yeah. So we're gonna continue with the pack with the Exodia Necros. Then the Dark Magician.
Ooh, let's go.
Dark Magician Girl.
Okay.
Buster Blade. Silent Magician level 8. Silent Magician level 4. And the Tricky. He's pretty good. It looks like the Big Chill Garna.
Oops.
The Magician Valkyria.
Valkyrie.
Blast Magician.
Oh, wait, what are those?
Black Man.
Legos.
The Marshmallow Man.
Looks like an upside down potato.
Yeah. The Sangan. Which never see him. Gold Sarkris.
Wait, look it. That's at the top of this. That's what the top of the box is.
Oh shit. Yeah. The Swords of Revealing Light. Pretty good card. Magical Redemption. Magician's Unite. Tricky Spell 4. Thousand Knives. The Dark Magician and Dark Magic Attack. Contract with Exodia. Messenger of Peace. Dark Factory of Mass Production. Monster Reincarnation. Secret of the Spellcasters. Pad of Duality, I believe. Mirror Force. Magical Hacks. Magic Cylinder. Magician Circle. Backup Soldiers. Gravity Bind. And a token.
Ooh.
So on to our next pack with Black Stone of Legend. The Return of the Red Eyes. The Red Eyes Flame Metal Dragon. Red Eyes Big Dragon, which means Black Dragon.
Crap.
Red Eyes Black Flare Dragon. Red Eyes Archfiend of Lightning. Red Eyes Retro Dragon. Crap. Black Metal Dragon. Axe Raider. Alligator Sword. Baby Dragon.
What is this, Clash Royale?
Genzo. Goblin Attack Force. Gearfine and Fielder of Iron Knight. Rocket Warrior.
I don't know if any of these cards
Flame
are good.
Sword. Time Wizard. Phoenix Gearfield. Gemini Summoner. Blazewing Butterfly. Dark Valkyrie. Command Knight,
You gotta tell me if any of these are good.
Valkyrie Knight, Keeper of the Shrine, Infernal Blast, Red Eyes
Ooh, that's
Fusion,
good. I know that.
Cards of the Red Stone, Polymerization,
That's good.
Salamandra, I believe, Scapegoat, Foolish Barrel,
Burl.
Burl.
Roulette. Roulette.
Oh, Red X Spider. I heard that's pretty good. If you like the series. Supervise. Never heard of that one. Mystical type Space Typhoon.
Like a million of those.
Symbol of Duty. Red Eye Spirit. Kanu Chain. I don't know what that does. Call of the Haunted.
I know that's good.
Tarot Tribute. Burst Breath. Curse of the
Anubis. Ooh.
And Arch of Black Skull Dragon.
That looks good.
Yeah. An Alligator Sword Dragon.
What's that? Oh, okay.
And a token.
Okay.
So this is our third of. I'm taking a fourth pack opening. So we're starting with a Maiden with blue with Eyes of Blue. The Melody of Awakening Dragons. Ooh! Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon. The original art design of the Blue Eyes White Dragon. Another Blue Eyes White Dragon with different. And the Blue Eyes White Dragon.
That's all three of them.
With the Dragon Spirit of White. The Kaibaman. I'm not really sure what that is. The White Stone of Legend. Not a good one. The White Stone of Ancient. The Protector with with Eyes of Blue. The Master with Eyes of Blue. Battle Axe. The Legend of Mystic Genie of the Lamp. The Verse Rider. Alexandre Dragon. Blade Knight. The Ancient Lamp. Tiger Dragon. Never heard it, most of these.
Komodo Dragon.
Ooh, looks weak.
Yeah.
The King of Swamp.
The King of the Swamp.
Oh, the King of the Swamp. Rider of the Storm Wings. Burst Stream of Destruction. Beacon of White. Macedonium, I believe, of White. Polymerization.
Another.
Enemy Controller.
Probably for Xbox.
Strength. Silent Doom. Ancient Rules. Trade In. We're up to.
Or two.
Pad of Directomy. I'm not really sure what that is.
Digitomy or something.
Oh. Fusion Substitute. Unexpected Die. Negate Attack. Forgot what that was about. Final Attack Orders. Shadow Spells. Cloning. Fusion Reverse. Jar of Adverse. Azard Eyes Silver Dragon. That's pretty good.
Those are some good stats. Oh, whoa.
First of the Dragon. Pretty good.
And
a token.
Okay.
So we're on to the last mini pack, I believe. Starting with a Dark Bursting Attack.
Burning.
Oh, Dark Burning Attack. Dark Burning Magic. And the
Eternal Soul.
Eternal Soul.
If you guys can see that, it's like shiny.
And I've got to mention throughout some of this is that all three of these represent Yugi's deck, Kaiba's deck, and Joey's deck. With all three of them, if you can tell with our pack openings. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. So leave a like and subscribe.